We begin this evening with the very latest that Jamaica has recorded its second imported case of the Covid-19 coronavirus. The details were provided at a press briefing from Jamaica House a short while ago. Now, Dashan Hendricks is there and now joins us live. Dashan.
Well, Erman, that press briefing with the Prime Minister and the members of the Cabinet just ended a short while ago. The Prime Minister confirming a second case of the COVID-19 coronavirus and announcing that they're actively looking at additional travel restrictions.
Government of Jamaica is now confirming the second imported case. It is a second case, but the second case is also an imported case of COVID-19. And this second case is a non-Jamaican who is also connected by travel from London. Having said that, the Cabinet spent an extensive period of time discussing travel restrictions relating to the United Kingdom. The government is actively reviewing the extent of travel restrictions related to the United Kingdom. In short order, we should be saying some more on that.
And just some more information before we get on to more of what was said. The Prime Minister, just before the press briefing closed, noted that patient 0, that's the first patient testing positive for COVID-19 in Jamaica, came in on BA 2263, and they're seeking additional persons who are on that flight, telling them to self-identify. Now, the Prime Minister said that he knows that some people will give the wrong address on those papers they sign up on the plane, but he's asking them to self-identify and said that the government will also be checking the flight manifest to contact the other patients. Also, the Prime Minister said that they are actively considering the closing of schools, but no decisions have been made on that as yet.
We need to answer the question, how would children who have examinations coming up, PEP and CXC, how would we not disrupt their training and their tutoring? And therefore, we have some measures that we have put in place, for example, the use of public broadcasting, radio and so forth, and we just need to do some fine-tuning in the consultation. That will be done over a period of 24 hours.
Well, another thing the Prime Minister and the Minister of Health was mentioning here is trying to now contain the COVID-19 coronavirus here in Jamaica, because now we have 2 cases in Jamaica and an additional 5 tests they're awaiting results for. So they're asking people to ban for the next 14 days gathering in large amounts.
Any gathering that requires the issuing of a permit. We will instruct the permitting authorities, the police and the municipal councils. Did I just touch my face? And the municipal councils. At least I'm conscious of it. I'm trying my best. And the municipal authorities not to issue any permits. Permits that are already issued will be rescinded, revoked. Effectively, we are placing a ban on those forms of gatherings.
Now, with 2 confirmed cases in Jamaica and another 5 to come tomorrow, whether or not the patients have the coronavirus. Now, the government has said it is moving from the delay strategy in which they were trying to delay the time in which the virus will come to Jamaica. Now they're in the containment phase of this virus, trying to contain it and trying to contain community spread as well.
Is the possibility, because this is a cycle of these types of public health threats, and we see that playing out in a number of countries around the world, over 120 to date, that there is going to be the next phase, which is the community spread, meaning persons who are here passing it on to others who are here within their community.
Well, Herman, as you can see now, the virus is here in Jamaica. 2 confirmed cases, another 5 tests awaiting results to come tomorrow. And the government is saying to people, do the necessary. Wash your hands as often as possible. Try to avoid large gatherings. They're saying that even for church, we should look to keep church online. And that also goes for the school system, which they are thinking about banning schools if it is necessary to say students should not go to school so parents can prepare for now. They're sending that signal now, and they're hoping the country will take the message to heart and do the necessary to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Herman?
All right, thank you, Dashan Hendricks, our reporter there.